Hello, is this thing on? This is Daryl Hardware Guy doing a review on another sandwich. And boy, I'm hungry. Yeah. Today, I don't even know what it's called. Let's look at the receipt and see what it's called. I don't fucking know what it's called. Let's see, it's called a Italian Mozzarella Classic. That sounds like a really good tasting woman. Well, this is the big sandwich. It always comes in this big ass wrap. It weighs a pound. Let me turn on this light back here. God. Crazy. Very nice kitchen. You like it? Yeah. My wife painted all these cabinets. But she did a pretty good job. I think, right? Should I get 1 thumb up or 2 thumbs up? Let me know. Let's see. This is called the chicken, mozzarella, cheese, and some kind of sauce. It looks like a little like the, what do you call that? The, fuck it. I'm so hungry. Let me just bite it. It smells good. You know why I like food? It's like having an orgasm in your mouth. And you could even upload on YouTube or TikTok. And it won't be perverted. Yeah. Oh. Has a little zesty Italian for you. Tastes like a pizza a little bit. You taste the mozzarella steak. Yeah. It's like a mozzarella steak. Similar to the breading on the mozzarella sticks at Burger King. You know, they're so similar to Burger King, and they do their own mozzarella sticks similar. No. Similar. So, it is like a mozzarella stick, but without the sauce. But this is still good. Look how big this sandwich is. Pretty big. great sandwich. You don't have to undress to eat it. Huh? Even though you undress it right before you take the bed off. Ooh, sexy, sexy, sexy. Ooh. More sexy indeed. Chicken. It's good chicken. Italian. Mozzarella. It's such a bummer. You have an app for Wendy's, right? You get $2 off on these big sandwiches. But no, you got order online to get the $2 off. That's bullshit. That's bullshit. But what the fuck? I can't do anything about that. Just eat up and take it like a man. Huh? 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 Mm. 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 The orgasm is almost over. Mm. Ah. Mm. Mm. Could I be Mr. Rogers? Would you be mine? Could you be mine? Could you be my neighbor? Huh? Hello, neighbor. How are you? Remember, I'm always doing videos once in a while, so subscribe to my channel and we'll see you next time. Eating, playing with the cards. I don't do pornos yet, even though people ask me, are you your name the hardware guy? But sometimes they mistake me for the hardwood guy. So I always say I'm not a porno star yet. Huh? I have about 40 films on here. But we'll see where it takes me. Into 2023. Oh my God. And do you believe I turned 50? My hairlines keep going up, up, up. Ooh. Yeah. Mm. 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 Almost done. Wherever. Yeah. I give that 2 thumbs up. And remember, if I had a third thumb, I would give you a third thumb. If I had one. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to be my neighbor, you be my neighbor anytime you want. And like and subscribe. I wish to get to 1,000 followers by 2023. So if you're out there, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, wherever it might be. Hit that subscribe button, please. And thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.